Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for home services and repair industry. So here let's assume that I have a home services and repair business, and to promote it I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. Now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send a WhatsApp message, I am using Vati. You can use any other application as well, such as AI Sensi, Interact. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for home services and repair industry. So here let's assume that I have a home services and repair business, and to promote it I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. So now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads, and on my left hand side these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect, on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So moving to my use case, that is to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. So here in my trigger window, as I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. And now the trigger events will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So now as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my Facebook leads, so here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm going to use Vati as my action application. So here it is. And now the action event will be to send template message. So as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event, here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So now to do this, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So to do that, here I'm going to click on connect. So now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect, and you can see that the authorization is successful. Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the page that I've created as of home cleaning service. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly, I'm going to select my page as home cleaning service. Here it is. So once I've selected my page, I'm going to select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, I've created two lead ads forms. So this is the form that is by the name of home service form, which I want to use. And this is how it looks like. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select a lead gen form as home service form. So once I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. That means I need to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, here in this new tab, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And here in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I am going to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here from this page drop down, I'm going to select my page that is by the name of Home Cleaning Service, and here is my page. So after selecting the page, moving to the form, so I'm selecting the form as Home Service form, and now I'm going to click on Preview Form. So this here is the lead gen form, and over here I filled in the details like phone number, email and the full name. So now I'm going to click on Next, and here I'm going to click on Submit. So it says, thanks, you are all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And over here you can see I've just received a response. Here is the phone number. Here is the email, full name, created date and time along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead is going to get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the test lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to this lead. So now here to do this, firstly I need to establish a connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to mention the API endpoint and access token. So here is the instruction given, like where you can find the access token and the API endpoint. So now I'm going to take you to my Vati account. Over here I will go to API docs. And over here is the access token. I'm going to copy it. And here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste the same. Now for the API endpoint, I'm going to copy it from here and I'm going to paste it over here in Pabbly Connect. So once this is done, I'm going to click on Save. And here you can see Pabbly Connect and Vati is successfully connected. So moving to these fields, here I need to mention the WhatsApp number. So I'm going to map it. Basically, mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the phone number from the response received and I've mapped it. Moving to the template. So taking you back to Vati, here I will go to templates. And here this is the template that I've created by the name of Facebook lead ads. The category is marketing and the language is English. So the broadcast title goes as welcome message, and here is the body of the message. It goes as hello. Thank you for your response. Our team member is going to connect with you and will share exciting offers with you on the given contact details. Thank you. So here after hello, this is a custom parameter. That means after hello, I want to mention the name of the Facebook lead that will be received. So this custom variable will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So now as the name of the template is Facebook lead ads, so here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the template as Facebook lead ads. Now moving to the broadcast name. So as in the template, I've mentioned the broadcast title as welcome message. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to write the same. So here I'm mentioning the broadcast name. Now moving to the custom parameters. So as in Vati, I have declared that after hello, I want to mention the name of the lead. So this here is a custom parameter. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy the same format as this custom parameter is for name. So here I will remove this color and I will write name. And in the value part, I'm going to mention the name of the Facebook lead. So here from the response received, I'm going to map the name. So as I've mapped all of these details, so this method of mapping is important so that every time you will receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request to see the response. And here you can see I have received a response and this is a positive one. So that means an automated WhatsApp message would have been sent to this lead. So I'm going to take you to the WhatsApp message. So this here is the WhatsApp message. Here you can see the broadcast title, and here after hello you can see the name of the lead. This is the body of the message along with thank you. So that means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the Facebook lead which I have just created. So this automation and integration is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.